Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a giant bubble net. I find the bubble net easier to produce bubbles with compared to a regular tri-string one of the same size, as there is more surface area to soak up more bubble solution. However, due to that, it will be much heavier. It works quite well. The bubble solution I am using is also homemade. I'll leave a link in the description and at the end of the video to the homemade solution that I use. This is what the completed bubble net looks like. Let's start with the rope, the length of which will depend on how big you want the net to be relative to your height. The rope I use is cotton braided rope. I'll leave a link in the description below to where I got it from, but any cotton braided rope or clothesline should work. The thickness of the rope I'm using is approximately 8mm thick. The rope has an inner core made out of two separate strands. You can choose whether to remove the core or not. I removed and reused them to make the bubble net, but feel free to experiment. To remove the core, just pull out as much of the core as you can. Then slide the bunched up outer layer of the rope down towards the end of the rope and continue pulling and sliding until the entire core is removed. The inner core strands are reused to make the inner strands of the bubble net. The inner strands are made of cotton as well and can be also used to make a simple tri-string bubble one. I'll leave a link in the description below and at the end of the video on how to make a simple tri-string one. The poles I use are a type of telescoping fishing poles. Again, links in the description. The original length of the fully extended pole is 2.4 meters, but I removed the top two sections of the pole as they are too thin and might snap from the weight of the fully soaked bubble net. I followed this recommendation from bubblemancy.com. The top two sections of the pole can be removed from the back of the fishing pole like so. I taped a loop of rope to the end of the fishing pole and attached a cheap carabiner. This idea was from the YouTube channel Night Hawking Light. This allows me to change between different types of string when I want. A washer is tied to the bottom of the loop for weight. Now tie the ropes to form the inner strands of the net, and your giant bubble net is now complete. Please like and subscribe if you found the video useful, and also please check out my other bubble related videos on the channel. Thank you for watching.